Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models. My name is Bob Waldron. Welcome to another video. This is going to be a product review of a nice sort of tool that we've got here. This is by Modelcraft Collections and it is a precision lubricator. Now this costs around about £4.95, which isn't a bad price. Now whenever it's come to lubricator, I've always just kind of used some general purse oil. I'll just quickly sort of show you. I've just normally use this kind of stuff. In all honesty, it is quite a bit clumsy to sort of apply it wherever you might need to apply it, whereas this has got this, what really kind of sells it really, more than the oil itself, is the actual applicator, which when it comes to modeling, having like precision applicators is always a good one. So if we bring you in, what we have here, for some reason you kind of have it so it's like a pen, I don't know, kind of hook it to you. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but still it does have it. And basically you take off the lid, right? It's got this nice lovely sort of rubber guard here as well, and you can nicely squeeze the oil wherever you sort of need it. So in scale modeling, you know, one thing that comes to mind is the old airbrushes. I do like to add a little bit of oil around the trigger area just in here, so it is nice to be able to do that, because normally when I would sort of do it, I would sort of have to take it apart. I'd get out a little bit of oil, maybe put it on a cotton wool bud and sort of apply it nice and lightly. You don't want to go heavy with this stuff, but actually with this I can actually get away with not actually taking it apart, which does make it an advantage, and you can just get it nicely in there, nice little bit of an application, and then you can sort of, you know, kind of move it about and sort of work it in and all that good stuff. One thing is if you do put in your airbrush, only put a little bit, because what you might find is if you put too much in, it can actually run down the needle and then you're blasting out oil, right? So really just a light amount. Probably is still best that you take it all apart. You can get it in the spring area that's just in here as well. Just if we take this off, you know, maybe a little bit just in there, so it runs down the spring area. But apart from that, looking pretty good. There is other applications. I mean, I know in scale modeling sometimes you do get like moving parts on scale models. Maybe a little bit of oil doesn't go amiss, you know, can help. Not really necessary. I mean, mainly I would use this for airbrushes, even to go sort of into any sort of your quick release catch. I know over time, you know, these can get a little bit sort of stiff. Maybe a little bit of oil in there also would help. Also, not only that, I mean, you do get quite a lot of oil in here, but if you did run out, you know what, you could take this off and add some more of whatever of your own oil if you wanted some general purpose stuff. But other than that, really, for £4.99, it isn't a lot to sort of review. It's just a bit of oil just to keep things sort of running nice and smoothly, and with it, really the big seller is the applicator, which is what this is all about. I mean, it is hard to kind of try and find something this generally out there in hardware stores and stuff, so it is nice that they've done that. So yeah, it's definitely a big thumbs up. Not necessarily something that you desperately need to get in scale modeling, but it's a nice little touch to add to your tool collection. So hopefully you've enjoyed that. Until next time, my name's Bob Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I'll catch you later.